Welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing side face reinforcement, also called skin reinforcement, as per IS 456, clause 26.5.1. This is an important detailing requirement for deep beams and large structural members. When we design deep beams or members with large depths, the side faces tend to crack due to shrinkage, temperature changes, and tension from bending. To control these cracks, IS 456 suggests providing side face reinforcement along the two vertical faces of the beam. IS 456 clause 26.5.1 states that side face reinforcement shall be provided when the overall depth of the web exceeds 750 mm. This requirement applies to beams with large depths where normal stir-ups are not enough to control cracking. The code specifies that the total area of side face reinforcement should be not less than 0.1% of the web area. That means, AS, side face, is greater than or equal to 0.001 times B times D. This reinforcement must be distributed equally on both faces of the beam. IS 456 also says that the spacing of side face reinforcement shall not exceed 300 mm or the web thickness, whichever is less. This ensures proper crack control and uniform stress distribution along the depth. Side face reinforcement is not for flexural strength or shear capacity. Its purpose is to control shrinkage cracking, to control temperature cracks, to keep crack widths within permissible limits, to improve ductility for deep beams. Let's see one example calculation. Consider a beam width, depth equals 1000 mm. Effective depth equals 970 mm. Web width equals 300 mm. Web area equals 300 times 970 equals 291,000 square millimeters. 0.1% reinforcement equals 0.001 times 291,000 equals 291 approximately 300 square millimeters. So we need 300 square millimeters total on both sides, meaning 150 square millimeters on each face. In practice, this reinforcement is provided using 10 mm or 12 mm diameter bars, placed horizontally along the side faces and tied to stirrups. Bars must be straight, parallel, and properly anchored with cover blocks. Common mistakes include not providing side reinforcement in beams deeper than 750 mm. Providing reinforcement only on one face. Exceeding the spacing limit. Using stir-ups as a substitute, not allowed by IS 456. To summarize, side or skin reinforcement is required when beam depth is more than 750 mm. Minimum reinforcement is 0.1% of the web area. Bars must be equally distributed on both faces. Spacing should not exceed 300 mm or web thickness. And remember, skin reinforcement is for crack control, not for strength. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos on IS 456, detailing, RCC design, and structural engineering, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which topic you want next.